What's up, guys? We're gonna check how much sap we got in the bucket. Let's open it up. Holy! How much sap is there?
Wow! After 2 days, look how much sap we collected just from one bucket.
It's dripping more, Tyson.
Yeah. We actually have 9 more buckets to check.
You have to have it really tight so no rain goes in there. Run down there. Really heavy.
You think there's a lot in there?
Yeah.
Take a look.
Let's open it up. Oh!
That's a lot.
That's enough to make me syrup. For breakfast and syrup, breakfast and breakfast. We can have breakfast with pancakes, and then lunch and dinner.
For sure.
There's another full bucket.
Wow.
Yeah. We're gonna eat breakfast and supper every day. Well, that's heavy.
Wow. We're doing great.
Bring them home to dump them.
Is that heavy? Come on, Muscles.
It's at 40 degrees or cooler.
So we're gonna put it in here to keep it cool so we can put our buckets back. So we got 40 gallons of sap in just 48 hours. Perfect time to collect.
This has been boiling now for about 6 hours at about 212 degrees. It's getting close to being finished, so we're gonna take it inside to finish it.
We got the sap inside. Now we have to strain it to get all the debris out.
So as you can see, we brought this in the house now. It's just still boiling down a little bit more, but we're getting there. And once it gets down to, you know, where it's darker color in the foam, you bring it up 7 degrees above boiling, and then you should be done. Should have syrup.
Mom's gonna taste test it. Out of a straw, that is, because I can't wait any longer. Wow, that's amazing. So good. How's it taste?
It's good.
Amazing.
Thick.
Lily, keep it right there. It's a little bit hot. Oh, brother, help. It's a little warm. Just take a little sip.
God, we are gonna make pancakes to try our first batch of syrup. We're gonna dye the pancakes green for St. Patrick's Day.
Put a couple drops in.
Okay, 2 drops, and I do 2 drops. 1, 2.
You might as well put it all in. There's not much.
Really green. Yeah. It's like St. Patrick's Day. It's like slime.
It does. Do you guys think the pancakes are gonna taste good?
Yeah.
You think our syrup we collected from the maple trees will taste super good with it?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
We're crazy.
St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Like a trick.
Here's the taste test.
That's actually good.
Is it? Lots of work paid off. Natural syrup.
It's hard to be off. I hope you like this video. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Please subscribe.